No
Okay,
problem.
so Sharif, I just wanna ask, how was this coaching call with Shabir? Coaching
Uh,
call with Shabir.
it's a very good coaching call with you, and you have
What three
shared.
things? What three things have you learned from this one single call?
Uh, regarding a sale,
Mhm,
I have seen about sale and presentation with the right person with the right moment.
mhm.
I mean, these two, and another thing is being consistent with uh, working and product, I think.
And being
Being consistent,
consistent in applying
applying.
the right methods that truly work. So, okay, so thank you for giving me this feedback, much appreciated.